Hello, and welcome to Supermassive Black Hole. Supermassive Black Hole is a module modeled after the Black Hole module. So you should know how to input that module and how it works. This module looks like nothing initially. You cannot select it. You cannot do anything with it. But sometime into the bomb, a ring will show up, a quote-unquote accretion disk. So this module is different if you have black hole in the bomb or not. If there is an unsolved black hole, you must the accretion disk should be ignored, but it still needs to be present to input anything into the module. In this case, the sum of the digits entered in the black hole modules must be entered instead. So, how does this module work? So there are three cases. If you have two disks, or one disk, two disks, or three disks, you will always end up using these tables though. So, in this case I have one disk, and it's yellow. So, this will give you a condition. Enter the voltage of the bomb. I don't have voltage meter. If there's no voltage meter on the bomb, enter the sum of the serial number digits plus number of modules. Sum of the serial number digits is 10, plus modules is 11. So I have to enter 11, aka these are base 36 digits, which are base 36 is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the alphabet. So it's basically alphabetic position plus 9. So 11 would be Bravo. So dots represent a tick, a timer tick. So what we have to do is hold over two timer ticks, wait a tick, and tap in between that tick. So let's do that. It should enter a Bravo. One tick, two tick, wait a tick, double tap, Bravo, and the accretion disk will go away. If it's the only module on the bomb, it will continually spawn disks until it solves. If it is not the only module on the bomb, then there'll be time between disks. If you enter a digit within the first 2 minutes of the disks showing up, it will count as 2 digits. So let's try and do that. We have 3 accretion disks. So one of the colors. So these tables can be done in any order. I can do it green, white, red. I can do orange. Sorry, green. I can do green, orange, white. I can do whatever I want. So let's use the table for green, the column for white, and the row for orange gives us an Oscar. We go down to the table. An Oscar is tap, tick, tap, tick, tap, tick, tap. So it's tap in between 4 different ticks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Enters an Oscar, and as you can see, 2 LEDs have lit up. It counted as 2 digits. Next, we have 1 accretion disk. It's a single colored accretion disk. Is orange. Number of solved modules, 0. 0 through 4 is the same as in regular black hole. So this is, I know, is a hold over 1 tick and then release. There you are, 0. Next up is a single color yellow accretion disk, which is sum of the serial number digits plus number of modules once again. So we know that that is 11, which is hold over 2 ticks, then double tap over in the next tick. 1, 2, tick, double tap. Bravo. Hoping I get to show off the double accretion disk. So this is the two color accretion disk. Even though it doesn't look like it, this is one of the weirder cases. So 2 accretion disks can be painted in different ways. Rings, which we saw, there was an outer ring, then an inner ring, then an even more inner ring. Sectors, where there will be one color, then another color, then another color. Or dynamic, which is what this is. It will be constantly changing. There's only 2 colors. It is the ring is rotating clockwise. So dynamic clockwise. We use the first color in this list that is not present on the module. In this case, that is green. And then we use these. So yellow, blue, green. So let's go to the yellow table. Blue, green gives us a Yankee. A Yankee is hold over a tick and tap. in that same. So hold over a tick, release and tap in the same tick. Wait a tick and tap. So hold over a tick, release and tap, then tap. That is a Yankee. Now we have another two-color accretion disc. This one is an example of rings. Rings, they are going counterclockwise. Red is present on the module, yellow is not, so we use red, yellow, green. Red, yellow, green is a 5, which is hold over 2 ticks, release tap within the same tick. So 1, 2, release tap. That is a 5. Should only have to enter one more if I do it fast enough. This is two-color accretion discs in dynamic. So the direction of rotation is clockwise. So dynamic clockwise. The two colors are orange, red. We do not have green. So orange, red, green is in India. India is tap, then hold over a tick. Release, tick, double tap. So India. And that will solve the module. I'm going to run one more supermassive black hole to attempt to show you what the sectors look like in the two-color accretion disks. And like I said, if this is the only module on the bomb, then it will just repeatedly spawn disks until it solves, as will it do in time mode. If the bomb is in time mode, it will repeatedly spawn disks until the module solves. So, I will run one more example of supermassive black hole to see if I can get these sectors, show you what that looks like. Other than that, that is how the module works. So, supermassive black hole. Let's see what it'll spawn. This is rings once again. Rings clockwise, white, red, orange. Is Bravo, which is hold over 2 ticks, tick, double tap. 1, 2, tick, double tap. That is a Bravo. The next one, I'm hoping, nope, this is dynamic 2-color. So dynamic, clockwise, green's there, orange is not, green, white, orange. And Oscar. Oscar, where is it? Is tap between 4 different ticks. 1, 2, 3, 4. If it would give me the sectors, I would show you. Yellow is serial number digits, some serial number digits plus modules. 4, 5, so we're entering a 6. So hold over 2 ticks, release, tick, tap. 1, 2, release, tick, tap. That is a 6. Another dynamic 2-color, going counter this time. Blue is here, orange is not, so blue, white, orange. Charlie. Charlie is tap in between a double tap in between a tick. Charlie. Now we have 2 more digits to input. Hopefully it gives me sectors. Amazing. Rings clockwise. White, red, green. So white is not there. So blue, white, red. So white, blue, and red is a 9. 9 is tap, hold, tick, tick, release, tap. Tick, tick, release, tap. That is a 9. Now give me sectors, please. Of course it didn't. Well, you'll know what sectors are when you see it. This last digit, white, red, orange. A Bravo, which we know is just hold over 2 ticks. Wait, double tap. Solves the module. That is supermassive black hole. A nice touch is that there is actually an accretion ring around the SVG in the manual. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped. And do not get sucked into a supermassive black hole. That is something you do not want to do. Goodbye.